Ace the Math. Full-length practice tests for the SAT. Hello, English language learners and future SAT test takers. In this video, we are diving deep into the world of full-length practice tests for the SAT Math section. Discover why they're crucial, how to use them effectively, and how they can help you master the math section of the SAT. A full-length practice test simulates the real SAT test-taking experience. It includes all the sections and adheres to the exact timing and structure of the official SAT. This means that when you take a full-length practice test, you'll be answering questions and solving problems under the same conditions as on the actual test day. 1. Realistic simulation. It provides a realistic snapshot of what to expect on test day. 2. Time management. It helps you to gauge how much time you typically spend on each question, enabling you to distribute your time wisely. 3. Identify weak areas. After taking the test, you can review your answers and identify topics or question types where you might need further study. 4. Build stamina. The SAT is a long test. Practicing the full-length tests helps build the endurance you'll need for the actual exam. 5. Boost confidence. Familiarity can help reduce test day anxiety. 1. Simulate test day conditions. Find a quiet spot, free from distractions. Make sure to time yourself strictly. 2. Use official materials. Whenever possible, use practice tests from official sources. These are most representative of what you'll see on the actual SAT. 3. Review your answers. After completing the test, spend time reviewing both correct and incorrect answers. Understand why an answer is right or wrong. 4. Stay consistent. Try to take multiple practice tests in the weeks leading up to your exam date. Track your progress to see improvements or areas that need further attention. 5. Mind your health. Get a good night's sleep before taking a practice test. Stay hydrated and take short breaks if needed. 1. Procrastinating. Don't wait until the last minute to start taking full-length practice tests. 2. Not reviewing. Simply taking the test without reviewing your answers and understanding mistakes won't be as beneficial. 3. Overdoing it. While practice is essential, avoid burning yourself out by taking too many tests in quick succession. 4. Ignoring weak areas. It might be tempting to focus only on what you're good at, but addressing your weaker areas is crucial for overall improvement. And there you have it. Equipped with the knowledge about full-length practice tests and their significance, you're now a step closer to achieving that dream SAT math score. Remember, preparation and understanding are your best allies. Happy studying, and we hope this video has been of great help.